In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter recommended content on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. Instagram has recently added a new feature that allows you to control how much sensitive content you want to see, and to be able to set up this feature, all you have to do is open up your Instagram application. After that, hit at your profile picture. Next, tap Add to Menu icon and there select Settings. Now then hit Add Account and you have to find Sensitive Content Control and get into it. On that screen you can set up how much sensitive content you want to see from the accounts that you are not following. By default, this option is set to standard. If you want to see more sensitive content, you can switch it to more. Or if you want to see as less sensitive content as it possible, you can set this option to less, and once you did that, you just can hit Add Confirm to apply that settings. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.